First I am writing the definition, note down. Next I will explain with examples. Definitely Uday, I will add. If you are a new student, no problem, you can follow from calculus onwards, because linear algebra is independent of calculus. No problem, you can follow from here. Now, limit of a function at a point. A function f of x. By reading this definition, you won't get anything. I will explain with examples. Okay? A function f of x is said to have a limit L when x tends to a if for a given epsilon greater than 0, for a given epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. Even though you are new to this class, no problem, you can follow. Linear algebra is independent of calculus. Okay? Concentrate on the content. कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. By reading the definition, I will explain with example. Then you will get something. That is the definition. We should not change. Definition is the definition. We have to write as it is. I will explain one by one. Limit of a function at a point. Limit of a function at a point. A function f of x is said to have a limit L when x tends to a if for a given epsilon greater than 0 there exists a delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. Observe here, mod f of x minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta means the distance between, the shortest distance between x and a less than delta. Sir, what is delta? Already one question came. What is delta? Delta is very, very smallest positive value. Okay, very, very smallest positive value. So the distance between x and a is very, very small. Whenever distance between x and a is very, very small, at the same time, the distance between f of x and L is also very, very small. Then L is called limit of f of x when x tends to a. Okay, observe. For example, Deepika, I am explaining. You don't worry with examples. Not one example, 3 examples I am going to explain. First, you concentrate here. For example, f of x is x plus 4. Suppose I am examining the limit at 2. Okay, x is closer to 2. Closer to 2 means, sir, either left side or right side. Either left side or right side, both the sides. If x is closer to 2, left side 1.999, right side 2.001 if I take. So here 1.999 is nothing but 2 minus 0.001. Sir, what is 2.001? 2 plus 0.001. Concentrate here. This is nothing but 2 minus delta. This is nothing but 2 plus delta. So what does it mean? A is lies between 2 minus delta to 2 plus delta. Sir, what is A? A is 2. 2 is in between 2 minus delta to 2 plus delta. So whenever x is 2 minus delta to 2 plus delta, whenever x lies in the interval 2 minus delta to 2 plus delta, f of x lies in the interval L minus epsilon to L plus epsilon. 1 minute, observe. Suppose x is 1.999. What is f of x? What is f of x? When f of x is x plus 4, when x is 1.999, f of x is 5.999. When x is 2.001, f of x is 6.001. When x is closer to 2, when x is closer to 2, f of x is closer to 6. Understand? Now 1.999 is nothing but 1.999 is nothing but 2 minus something. What is something? Something is delta. 2 minus very smallest positive value. This is 2 plus delta. 2 plus smallest positive value. So whenever x is 2 minus delta to 2 plus delta, f of x is 6 minus epsilon to 6 plus epsilon. That's my point. Whenever x is 2 minus delta to 2 plus delta, f of x is 6 minus epsilon to 6 plus epsilon. Its meaning is mod x minus a less than delta, f of x minus L is less than epsilon. What does it mean? Very simple. Whenever x is closer to a, f of x is closer to L. Whenever x is closer to a, f of x is closer to L. Same thing they have given here. This statement. X minus a less than delta matlab difference between x and a is less than delta. Distance between x and a is less than delta. Whenever distance between x and a is less than delta, at the same time distance between f of x and L is very small. Here in this example, a is 2, L is 6. So when x is closer to 2, f of x is closer to 6, then you can say that limit x tends to 2, x plus 4 equal to 6. 6 is the limit of x plus 4 when x tends to 2. That is the meaning of that definition. Okay, I will explain geometrically.